Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the basics right. Charge the JBL Tune 510BT above 20% so the unit can enter pairing mode reliably. Press and hold the power button for about 1 to 2 seconds. You'll see the LED blink, which means the headset is awake. Once done, make sure your phone or laptop Bluetooth is enabled and in discovery mode, because the speaker can't pair unless the other device is actively searching for new connections. Now you must force the headset into pairing mode. Press and hold the power button for about 5 to 7 seconds. The LED will alternate or blink rapidly, indicating pairing mode is active. On your phone, scan for available devices and look for JBL Tune 510BT. Select it. If the headset had a previous connection, make sure to forget or disconnect that device first, because the headset gives priority to known devices and won't show up otherwise. Complete the process by tapping the JBL entry on your device. You'll hear a confirmation tone or see the LED turn solid, which confirms the link. Then play audio to verify sound. Adjust volume on both devices if levels are low. If pairing fails, don't panic. Power the headset off, then perform a reset. Power on, then hold power plus volume up for about 5 seconds to clear pairing memory. Afterwards, repeat the pairing steps. That fix solves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.